Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Trust Wallet. So if you turn on or you have entered to the application, it will ask for the password or the Face ID. Then from here in settings or in anywhere you can find any option to turn on the dark mode. But that's not mean that Trust Wallet doesn't support the dark theme, but it actually sends your system theme. So if your system is on light mode, so it will output the light mode. It will set the light mode on the application, and if your device is on dark mode, then it will set automatically the dark mode on the app. Right now, if I just enable the dark mode by tap on this icon, or if you don't find this dark mode icon, you just need to hold on this and tap on this add a control, and from here you will find the dark mode icon here, so you can just add the dark mode. Now let me turn on the dark mode on my device. Here you can see I have just turned on dark mode and it has immediately changed the theme to the dark mode. So that's how you can just easily enable dark mode on Trust Wallet, but first you have to set the dark mode on your device. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.